Students, today I will discuss about fractional numbers. Different types of fractions. Fractions which express the value of the same part of a whole are called equivalent fractions. Fractions which express the value of the same part of a whole are called equivalent fractions. 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 multiply 2 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 multiply 3 by 3 equal to 1 by 2 multiply 4 by 4 equal to 1 by 2 multiply 8 by 8. Therefore, 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6 equal to 4 by 8 equal to 8 by 16. Fractions whose numerators are greater than or equal to the denominators are called improper fractions. For example, 3 by 2, 9 by 7, 18 by 17, 23 by 13. These are called improper fractions. Fractions whose numerators are smaller than denominators are called proper fractions. For example, 4 than the denominator. Like fractions. Fractions having the same denominators but different numerators are called like fractions. For example, 5 by 14, 9 by 14, 11 by 14. Here denominators are 14 and numerators are different. So they are called like fractions. Unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 5, 5 by 7, 9 by 13, etc. Here denominators are different, 5, 7, 13. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. Fractions whose numerators are equal to 1 are called unit fractions. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 7, 1 by 11, 1 by 13, etc. Improper fractions written as a combination of a whole and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. For example, 1 whole 3 by 4. So here 1 is whole number and 3 by 4 is proper fraction. So it is 1 whole 3 by 4 is called the mixed fraction or mixed number. Similarly, 4 by 4 5 by 7, 7 hold 9 by 13, 12 hold 6 by 25, etc. These are called the mixed fractions or mixed numbers. Now, vulgar fractions. A fraction whose denominators is a whole number other than 9, 4 by 13, 27 by 109, 5 by 17, etc. are vulgar fractions. Here denominators are not 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, the number followed by zeros. So it is called vulgar fractions. Or when in the next class, when you convert into the decimal, these are the non-terminating repeating decimals. Now, page 45 and 46, write next three equivalent fractions. 2 by 6 equal to 4 by 12, 6 by 18 equal 10, 8 by 24. So multiply the first fractions. 2 by 6 multiply 4 by 4. The 2 4 is 8, 6 4 is 24. Similarly, 2 multiply 5, 10, 6 multiply 5, 30. 2 multiply 6, that is 12, by 6 multiply 6, 6 6 is 36. So the next three equivalent fractions is 8 by 24, 10 by 30, 12 by 36. Similarly, question C, 5 by 9, 10 by 18, 15 by 27. So first fraction is 5 by 9. So 5 by 9 multiply 2 by 2, you will get 10 by 18. 5 by 9 multiply 3 by 3, you will get 15 by 27. Similarly, 5 by 9 multiply 4 by 4, the 5 4 is 20. 9 5 is 45. 5 multiply 6 by 9 multiply 6, the 5 6 is 30 and 9 6 is 54. Convert into improper fractions. Questions are in mixed numbers, yeah, mixed fractions. 3 whole 1 by 5. Convert into improper fractions. So multiply 3 whole number multiply by the denominator plus numerator. So 3 multiply 5, 15 plus 1, that is 16 by 5. 5 whole 1 by 7. 5 multiply 7 plus 1 by 7, that is 35 plus 1, 36 by 7. 33 whole 1 by 3. 33 multiply 3 plus 1. 33 multiply 3, that is 99 plus 1, 100 by 3. 2 whole 2 by 9. 2 multiply 9 plus 2. 2 9 is 18 plus 2, 20 by 9. Question 3. Convert into a mixed numerals. Questions are given in improper fraction. Convert into mixed fractions, yeah, mixed numbers. 50 by 7. Divide 50 by 7, you will get the quotient 7 and remainder 1. So it can be written as 7 whole 1 by 7. 11 by 9. It can be written as 1 whole 2 by 9. 23 by 8. 23 divided by 8, you will get the quotient 2 and remainder 7. So it can be written in 2 whole 7 by 8. Now fill in the blanks. Fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. A fractional number whose 1 by 7, 1 by 11, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 are called unit fractions. 3. Question D. 3 whole 1 by 8 is a mixed numbers. 8 by 9 equal to dot dot by 72. So 8 by 9 convert into 8 by 9 multiply 8 by 8. You will get 8 8 is 64, 9 8 is 72. Denominator is 72. Write numerator in 64. When the common factors of numerator and denominator is 1, then the fraction is called its simplest form or lowest terms or in standard form. Simplest form, lowest terms or standard form, they are same things. Now worksheet 1. Encircle the fractions in its lowest terms. Here some fractions are given. Now find out the common factors of numerator and denominator is 1. That is HCF of numerator and denominator is 1. So in question 1b, 4 by 24, 6 by 36, 1 by 6, 3 by 18. The 4 by 24. Here common factors is 4. Numerator 4. 4 divided by 4, you will get 1. And 26 divided by 4, you will get 6. Similarly, 6 by 36. Here common factor, yeah, HCF of numerator and denominator is 6. So it is not in lowest terms. 1 by 6 is in lowest terms. So encircle 1 by 6. 3 by 18. Here common factors of numerator and denominator is 3. So it is not in lowest terms. Lowest terms. Question 1C. 1C. 5 by 15, 2 by 6, 4 by 12, 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3 is in lowest terms. 4 by 5. Question D. 4 by 5, 12 by 15, 32 by 40, 16 by 20. Here 4 by 5 is in lowest terms, in standard forms or in simplest form. Now question 3. Reduce into the lowest terms. 9 by 12. So first of all, find the HCF of numerator and denominator. The HCF of 9 and 12 is 3. Now 9 by 12 can be written as 9 divided by 3 by 12 divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3, quotient is 3. 12 divided by 3, quotient is 4. So 9 by 12 can be written in the lowest term 3 by 4. Similarly, you can do D, F, H. Worksheet 2, page 49. Compare by cross multiplication methods. 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. First of all, find the products of downwards. So 1 multiply 4, that is 4. Then find the product of upward. 2 multiply 1, that is 2. Here clearly 4 is greater than 2. So 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. Question D, 4 by 9 or and 5 by 18. First of all, find the product of downward. So product of 45. Clearly 72 is greater than 45. Therefore 4 by 9 is greater than 5 by 18. Similarly, you can do question number B. Now compare by taking the LCM. Now next method, compare by taking the LCM. 7 by 2 and 5 by 3. Here denominator is 2 and 3 and their LCM of the denominator, LCM of the denominators, that is 2 and 3 is, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 7 by 2 can be written as 7 by 2 multiply 6 by 6, 2 1 j 2, 2 3 j 6, 7 3 j 21 by 6. 5 by 3 equal to 5 by 3 multiply 6 by 6, 3 1 j 3, 3 2 j 6 equal to 5 2 j 10 by 6. Here denominators are same, 6 6. Now compare the numerator. So clearly 21 is greater than 10. Now we compare like fractions, 21 by 6 and 10 by 6. 21 by 6 is greater than 10 by 6. Since 21 is greater than 10, that is 7 by 2 is greater than 5 by 3. Similarly, you can do question number D, F. Thank you. Have a nice day.